Okay, so for this week, I am thinking that the market is going to be tough because I think it's going to witness a lot of ranging areas, or some will say it's a sideway structure. Uh, Let me explain what the Bitcoin and the Bitcoin pairs. So for Bitcoin pairs, in the if you look at the H4 time frame, you can see there's a downtrend structure, a bearish structure, yeah, and there's a low over here. So this low make a support because we can see the wick of the candle is very long, and if the price somehow breaks below the lows, then it will be a fully bearish movement. And but you can see that the price does not break the lows. In contrast, it's reacting by the huge wick of the candles, suggesting that the buyers are entered. So this will make this area like a strong support. And even though that, as I said before, this is a bearish structure, but the support is very strong. It make the price reversal back. So on the daily time frame, I think that the price is going to be in a ranging area, or you say sideway. So that's for the Bitcoin. And this analysis is applied with the euro, the yens, because in the euro and the yen, for my previous video, I have said that uh, we we shouldn't buy, we shouldn't in long positions because that the structure is still bearish, and even though that the price has broken the high, but it still be a fake out because you can see that the price break the high and been rejected multiple times, and my instinct telling me that the price is not reaching their full strength on the bullish side, because you can see that it doesn't make any sense. So my instinct telling me that we should avoid into long position, and this is when you see that the price has moved a lot, 180 pips. So but after that the price reacting again with the bullish run. So I think that it would be in a sideways, just like a Bitcoin. So I will avoid the sideways because it's very unpredictable. Some traders are very good at the ranging strategy, but not for me. Uh, we can have a look at the dollars pairs, because that let's take an example of the pound and the dollars. Okay. First, I can see that this is a key level zone because the price is reacting to it. We have a high, a low, and then the price has closed at the zone. So I'm expecting on a Monday there would be a small pullback only on Monday, because the structure, the trend is still bearish. So maybe a quick scalp. The same thing with the euro and the dollars. So on a daily time frame, we can see that this is identified as a key level zone. Price reacting a lot, and also in last week, the price has not broken below the low, so it's suggesting that the price is forming a support zone. So for next week, I am looking for uh, the long position for the euro and the dollars. Maybe a little bit because there are a lot of traders who stuck in here on they are the late buyers. So we have to escape first early before them. So we have an opportunity about around 60 pips for the euro and the dollars. So that's it for this week. I hope you guys enjoy it and happy trading.